So just at the back of Pathumthani Speedway, there's a couple of little workshops, but the cars that they got outside are incredible. I wanted to show you very briefly what they have got. That S2000 is extremely rare here. It's like a body shop. Just got a couple of old Mazda pickups. But yes, this is at the back. Pathumthani Speedway. Rare Mazda estate, very rare. Couple of rather poor looking RX-7s. A bit of parts. Don't know if I can squeeze down here. Try and show you some of what they got. 520. You can see a yellow Sphero. Mia RX. Another RX. As a Mark IV Cortina inside, and a Mazda Montrose Supra. E30's seen better days. Don't know if you see Toyota wagon inside. Toyota Dragster. Skittles colours. That's a rare one. Holden Calais. Yeah, I thought I'd just bring you up here just to show you. There's not many people bother walking back here to have a look what's up here. And the big Lexus that we walked past. So yeah, something different to show.